If the package installer on your Android device keeps stopping, it can prevent you from installing or updating apps. So here are some steps to fix the issue. First of all, you have to try restarting your device. Restarting your Android device can often fix minor issues, including those related to the package installer. And then clear the cache and data for the package installer. For that, go to Settings, scroll down and go to Apps. From here, search for Package Installer, and once you find the application, tap on it. Scroll down and go to its storage, and then click on Clear Cache, and also try clearing the data. But remember that clearing the data will also delete all the files, accounts, and databases, so you have to be very careful regarding that. Now, restart your device and try again. Now try to free up the storage space. Make sure that your device has enough storage to install or update apps. Delete any unnecessary apps, files, or media to create more space. Now tap on Permissions of Package Installer and ensure that necessary permissions like storage are enabled. You can also try disabling third-party apps that may interfere. Some third-party apps or system optimizers may disrupt package installer's functioning. Boot your device into the safe mode by usually holding the power button and then tapping on the safe mode. Try to install or update the app while in the safe mode. If it works, identify and uninstall the conflicting third-party app. You can also try resetting the app preferences. For that, go to Settings and then click on the three dots in the top and then tap on Reset App Preferences. Click on Reset and you'll be done. This will reset app settings like disabled apps, default apps, and the permissions without deleting your data. You can also try updating or reinstalling the Google Play services. And if none of the above steps work, you may need to perform a factory reset. Back up your important data and then go to Settings, search for Reset Options, then click on Reset, that is under the General Management, and then click on Reset All Settings. Confirm the reset and set up your device again. So if the issue continues after all these steps, there may be a more serious problem with your Android firmware. At that point, you might need to reflash your device software or seek help from your manufacturer or a repair technician. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.